Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see view one's photo on WhatsApp. So if you receive view one's photo or videos on your WhatsApp account and I want to find the photo thereafter, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to find and see view one's photos or pictures on WhatsApp, all you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application, click on the three dots on handle and select settings. On your iPhone, select settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on storage and data. Once you selected storage and data, click on manage storage. Then on manage storage page, scroll down, you should see all your contacts. Then scroll through the contact and locate the chat that send you one-time view photos. So just scroll down, let's say this chat. Now once you selected the chat, click on these three lines at the top right, select newest. Then you should see all your view one's photo. So just go ahead. You should have access to all view one's photo on your WhatsApp account. So that is basically how to see view one's photo on WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.